Are the dreams all made solid? Are the dreams made real? All of the buildings, all of the cars were once just a dream in somebody's head. She pictures the broken glass, pictures the steam. She pictures a soul with no leak at the seams. Take the boat out, wait until darkness. Let's take the boat out, wait until darkness comes. Nowhere in the corridors of pale green and grey, nowhere in the suburbs in the cold light of day. There in the midst of it, so alive and alone, words support like bone, dreaming of mercy street, where you're inside out, dreaming of mercy in your daddy's arms again, dreaming of mercy street. Swear they moved that sign, dreaming of mercy in your daddy's arms. Pulling out the papers and drawers that slide smooth, tugging at the darkness, word on word, confessing all those secret things in a warm velvet box. To the priest, he's the doctor, he can handle the shocks, dreaming of the tenderness that tremble in the hips.